Okay, hello guys, so this is the Vivo E21s and we have FRP right here. Okay, so we cannot enter the phone after we reset the phone because it has a pin code or email. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to solve this problem, okay, without dongle and also without disable the apps and also without the SIM card lock. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Omwap. Okay, this time we don't want to root our customer phone, but I will share with you how to remove the FRP from Vivo phone. Okay, using the latest Android security patch. Okay, and this is the Vivo Y21s. Okay, and it has FRP. Okay, FRP usually occur when someone reset their phone but without releasing the email or the pin, okay, or the pattern. And I will show you how to remove this one without using a dongle, and also the method that used before, such as disable the service and using SIM card deadlock. It cannot be applied in this phone. Okay, so we're going to use another method that is more faster and more efficient. Okay, you can see right here we have a pattern or email. So go back to the screen where you have the Wi-Fi connected. Okay, sorry, go back again. You can see right here we have Wi-Fi, and from here select see all Wi-Fi network and then add new network. Okay, and then it will ask to enter the SSID. You can type any character you want and then block character and select the websites. Okay, from here it will open a browser, Vivo browser, and it will open the Google. Okay, and then in the top screen we'll find apps, any apps, okay, such as WhatsApp. Like this, it will shown in the first screen. Okay, and that's this one, and it will automatically open the V App Store. Okay, this is the App Store for the Vivo. Just allow it and give it permission. Okay, you can see right here there is WhatsApp Messenger in the V App Store, but we don't want to install this one. Okay, so we're going to hit this search button and let's find the shortcut. Quick shortcut maker. Okay, APK with the orange color. Okay, then just hit cut and it will install the apps. It's a quite small apps, about just 2 megabytes. And then when it finishes, just hit open right here and hit OK. Okay, it will show on this screen. From here, we want to input the keyword. Okay, and let's type factory space test. Okay, we will see something like this, and just select the first one. Okay, it will show you several shortcuts, and we will choose the second from the top. Okay, first is the engineering mode and the second is engineering test tab activity. Okay, we're going to select this one and there is a try button right here. Just hit it and you will see the screen like this. Okay, it will have 3 tabs, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's select the 3 tab, the third tab I mean, and then you will see the first menu, that is menu back to screen. Hit that menu and it will show you another menu like this. First one is initiate to Chinese and the second one is initiate to English. Okay, select the English and here we go. It will show you the before home screen. Okay, so very simple, and I think this is the best method because it's require just small amount of time. Okay, from here you don't have to insert email or factory reset because we already on the home screen. Okay, and let's try to restart the phone. Okay, okay, let's restart the phone and we will see if the spawn still up or not. Okay, so that's all guys. This is a video on how to remove your FRP lock on Vivo Phone. Okay, you can apply it on any Vivo that using the latest security patch, and in this tutorial we're using the Vivo Y21s. Okay, okay. If you like this video and feel the video is helpful, please give it a thumb. And I also have a lots of video about routing and custom ROM, especially Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, and etc. Okay, you can check it. You can check it out. Maybe some of the tutorial will be useful for you. Okay, and if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make new video. Okay, thank you guys. Stay healthy, stay safe, and assalamualaikum.